Okay.
Yeah, just very quickly, I want to shout out, we had one great robotics Vex team, only girls, and they were the first team from Kazakhstan who make the playoffs at Worlds. You know, we need to encourage, there's so many smart girls out there, we need to encourage them also.
Yeah, I mean, they basically the girls are a bit shy than boys, but it doesn't mean that. I mean, they have a like lower level of like understanding or learning something. As for me, girls are more. I mean, they are more accurate. Basically, I just wanted to say that we have to involve more girls, despite this like understanding and perception that like robotics is just only for boys. Where to start? I mean, where do we start, Vex? I mean, I guess Jeffrey has like briefly mentioned that. Okay, if you go to vexrobotics.com website, you can start all the information in English, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And I mean, the question from Ilya, he asks, how does the virtual color sensor work? I guess it's more like a technical question.
Yeah, so the virtual robot is on different fields. You can select different fields, and on the fields can be colors or objects. So there's two color sensors. One is facing down, as one is facing forward. So just like a sensor in a real robot.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, there is a YouTube channel of Mr. Tom. You can, Ilya, you can raise your questions on the YouTube channel of Mr. Tom. He would be happy to answer, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, we have website vexrobotics.kz. It has more information in Russian and Kazakh. You can see some videos there. Some information is there. And please contact if you have additional questions. We can have somebody answer you in Russian also, not just, or Kazakh, no problem.
Okay. The next question is, how does the like selection goes to the Vex Worlds? How do you select like students to Vex Worlds competition from Kazakhstan? Tell me, maybe
this is decided by Excellence, one award called Excellence Award, which is a combination of your performance in competition and your engineering notebook, and just all around excellent team. And there are judges who make this decision. In fact, Jeffrey was the main judge in our competition earlier this year.
And the next question is from Agirim. He asks, what language is like preferable to work with Vex VR? To work with Vex, what language is like preferable? I assume that it is like programming language.
I mean, Scratch, Python, right? Right, Jeffrey?
Yeah, I think for our platform, we support like Scratch, Python, and C++. All of them are supported. I think this is depending by the age of the student. Yeah, if the student's age is very young, I think maybe they can start like from the Scratch because it's very easy for them. But maybe when they grow up, they can use Python and then the C++. Yeah, because the C++ is more like a professional coding environment.
Thank you. And where the next competitions is going to be held?
In Kazakhstan?
Okay, in Kazakhstan and in the world.
Well, for Kazakhstan, we have to wait and see for the situation, at least for in-person competition. I think probably, did they start Vex competitions again in China? In some regions?
So far, I think it's not started yet, but maybe because now in China is our summer holiday. So I think maybe it can restart from maybe September, something like this. But in China now we are doing the online challenge at Vex. I think maybe Tom knows this, yeah.
Vex VR, okay. And how about the like overall Vex Worlds? Like, where is it?
I think this is the same situation. You know the COVID-19 is also very serious in US. But I think the final competition will be held in US. This is definitely. But we don't know the situation now in US. Yeah,
Okay.
I think if we have the latest information, we will share in our website.
So basically, it used to be in China for the couple. It used to be in the US for the couple of like, and now it's going to be where, Tom? I mean, hopefully, if we get there.
Well, hopefully in Texas, they were planning from 2021 to have it in Texas.